Right now, I'd say it's deja vu. 4 years ago, when I was leaving my home in Bangalore, India, I was sad, anxious, but yet intensely excited all at the same time, torn between the pain of leaving home and yet the sheer thrill of starting a whole new chapter in my life. Now, we are all about to leave Ohio Wesleyan, and over the past 4 years, this sprawling campus with unfamiliar buildings and faces has now become our home. Looking back at our time together, I understand better why I feel this way today. We've really been a family. One family of many countries, states, cultures, all walks of life, but a family nonetheless. A dysfunctional one at times, but then again, which family isn't? And as a family does, we've made this exciting journey together. We've been through so much, from the freshman 15, to the all-nighters in the weekly library, to learning the art of receiving extensions, to waking up at 8:30 in the morning on a Thursday and realizing you couldn't really miss any more of those classes, to the unforgettable nights down Sandusky Street, living up the nightlife that Delaware, Ohio has to offer, to 2 a.m. hot potatoes, to the online procrastination tool, Facebook, to occasional food fights in the Smith cafeteria, and to the serious case of senioritis that somehow started the very first day of our senior year and seemed to only get worse as the year progressed. And of course, let's not forget the intellectual discussions, the conversations with professors that sometimes lasted hours, the successful achievements like when the Bishop men defeated nationally ranked Worcester on the basketball courts this past season, group projects, and most importantly, so much caffeine. Today, we take with us a treasure of memories and the strength of friendships forged. There is so much we've learned, and of course, there's so much more yet to learn. These fantastic 4 years would not have been possible, though, without the support and sacrifices of our families, our mentors, and our friends. There are a few people I think it's necessary to thank who helped make our senior year a great one. Deb Lamp and Jean Masters, who helped so much with senior events. Candace Ott and the Alumni Office for help with the senior class gift, the graduating class trustee elections, and helping us transition from students to alumni. The chaplain staff for making baccalaureate possible and a great success last night. Lisa Jackson and Dr. Huddleston for bringing us a wonderful, eloquent, and personable speaker, Byron Pitt. And of course, can we all forget the amazing commitment and smiling face of Julia Prince at every single senior event? Thank you all so much. I would also like to personally thank Stu Pastors and Sally Lieber, my spiritual guides, Dr. Sean Kay and Professor John Booth for being great advisors. And really, I could go on, but I just want to thank all the others who know that they have made a huge impact in my life. I would not be what I am today without you. Today is Mother's Day, and I want to thank this wonderful species called mothers. The mothers who come to watch their children walk today, to the mothers seated behind me who've left their children at home to be supporting professors and guides, and to the mothers who are not able to be with us today. Thank you for always being there. Thank you for bringing us this far. And thank you for everything. And this one, I'm going to use my presidential privileges to thank my mother. Thanks, Ma. I'm here today because of you. And so what lies ahead? Everyone wants to know. And they probably already asked you. I don't have the faintest idea what's going to happen. And isn't that just great? I've spent 4 years trying to figure out what I should be doing the moment the ceremony is over. And I still don't have an answer. And that's okay. Because if we knew life's outcome, yawn, wouldn't that be boring? One of us here could win a Grammy Award. That won't be me. One of us may enter the White House. That can't be me. One of us may discover the cure for AIDS. The rest of us, though, don't need to make headlines to make a difference. Do your best at every moment. Choose your issues and fight for what you believe in. And most importantly, help others gain access to the kind of education we've been advantaged to receive. It's your duty. In Hindi there's a saying, "Boond boond se samundar banta hai." It translates into every drop comes together to make the magnificent ocean. I sincerely believe that each and every single one of us here has the potential to make a significant difference in our fragile world. We are the class of 2006. At this moment, we stand on the threshold of a new journey. And as life beckons us to step into the real world, I'd say we stand more prepared and we stand together as a family forever. For our families, our friends, our professors, our mentors, for our efforts, our achievements, our commitments, our memories. For 2006, my fellow classmates, we made it. Congratulations and thank you.